So, Mark, what are you guys promoting here at SIBOS 2015?
Okay, good. We here in Singapore, it's the third time with Intix we attend SIBOS with the stand, so for us that's important. I mean, we're a young company. What we're doing here, of course, one of the most important drivers this year is still compliance. So we get a lot of requests in the context of regulatory reporting, specifically in Europe, for example, ECB reporting, PSD2 that's coming along. So banks are seeking actually for solutions to address that, and we can help them with that. The problems in this context is that banks need to deal with many different data sources and also many different formats and structures in these data sources. And what we actually can bring with our solutions is that we have the ability of extracting all the data in a very uniform format, and in order to make them let's say, give them the reporting capability of all that required output. Yeah, we can. Well, you know, big data is a buzzword in the industry, and of course we do big data if you want, but for us it's big data with the context, and the context is financial messaging. What will happen, no one knows, but we still see that, you know, banks are getting out of the crisis after the, I mean, it has taken a while. For some banks it's still a bit struggling. We do see that in sales lead times before actually we get to deals. But what you see is banks start to invest again, which is good. Regulatory pressure is of course an important driver in there. At the same time, as a company, Intix as we are, we try to also keep up with innovation. So we come up with new stuff like investigations, case management. That's what we're actually now working on. Track and trace is very, very much demanded in order not to look at individual transaction messages, but rather the full transaction, let's say the total life cycle of a transaction. That's what people are actually looking for. So we try to accommodate for that. It's, well, SIBOS, you know, it's my 18th SIBOS in total, not with Intix. I mean, I used to work for other companies, but it's a great event. It's the best event in the industry, for that specific industry, of course, and you know, it's here that we have to build our pipeline for the coming 12 months, so we definitely will be in Geneva in 12 months from now.